Alright, we had a cold start video requested. Probably should have uploaded this anyways. It's kind of a standard issue on a Bringer trailer auction to have a cold start video, but here we go. Pumped it twice. Ignition is on the left side on a 69. There she goes. And it started in about a week. Sorry, left the radio on. Just some carbon out the exhaust. Smooths right out in the idle. Let's get it off the high idle. Also keep in mind it's about 40 degrees outside today. That's why the exhaust is, why you see the exhaust. But anyway, here's your cold start video on the 69 Chrysler Town Station wagon. Thanks everybody. Bidding ends at 1:15 on Sunday. So bid early, bid often. Thanks.